Hello P1, welcome back to IP English time. Are you ready for our lesson with me, Teacher Val? Great! So we are going to start learning. So P1, today's lesson will be about farm animals. We are going to review our farm animals. So now let's go to the farm. Okay, let's have a look. What is this? Can you tell me the name for this farm animal? It's a duck. That's correct. It's a duck. Good. Now let's go further. And now we can see, what is this? It's a chicken. Yes, it's a chicken. Good. But there are another animals. Let's have a look. Wow, can you tell me? Can you guess what is this? P1. We learned the names for the farm animals. So this is a cow. Yes, this is a cow. Good. So I want you to tell me. Let's have a look. Wow. What is this? Very soft animal. It's a sheep. Very good. It's a sheep. Okay. I want to see somebody else. Now let's have a look. What is this? It's a horse. It's a horse. Now let's try to see somebody else on our farm. Oh, good. Such a cute pink pig. Yes, this is a pig. Let's have a look at this animal. This is a cat. Yes, very good. This is a cat. So, and our last farm animal. This is a dog. This is a dog. Let's read the words one more time. Horse, cat, dog, duck, chicken, pig, sheep, cow. Great. So P1, are you ready to play? Good. So the name for our game is a hangman. You have to look at the picture and to complete the word by picking the correct letters. Let's try. So click start. You can see a picture. Do you remember what is this, P1? And we have the dashes that are equivalent to the number of the letters. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 letters for this word. So this is a cow. That's right. This is a cow. So we have to find the beginning letter, P1. K. What letter do you want to choose? Letter C. Yes, good. That's correct. Letter C will be the beginning letter in this word. Okay, let's continue. Next one. Cow. O. So let's choose letter O. Very good. Yes, I know that you are perfect spellers. And the last one will be, do you remember how to spell this word? Let's think together. W, I see W. Very good. Okay. So we have our word Cow. Let's spell together. C-O-W. Very good. Let's continue. Yes, perfect. And you gained 7 points. Good. So let's have a look at the picture. Do you remember? Can you tell me the name for this picture? What is this? We have 1, 2, 3, 3 letters. It's a cat. Yes, it's a cat. Good. So let's find the beginning letter. K. Okay. No. No, be careful, P1. Let's try another letter. Let's think. This letter has the sound k. Letter C. Yes, I will help you. Letter C. Very good. And we have to choose another letters. So 2 letters are left. Cat. So let's try A. Yes, that's correct. Letter A will be the second letter of this word. And the last one, cat. Letter C. Yes, the last one. Very good. So we have our word. Great spellers, P1. Perfect. Better and better all the time. So let's spell together. C-A-T. Yes, cat. Good job. So, and you have 7 points. 6 points. Okay. Good anyway. Let's continue. Let's try one more. Okay, P1. Can you guess the name of this farm animal? This is a very soft animal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. 5 letters. So I want you to tell me, what is this? This is a sheep. Sheep. Yes, good. Sheep. And let's try to choose the beginning letter of this word. Let's choose letter S. Very good. That's correct. Okay. The next will be H. Yes, H. Very good. That's true. And then I will give you a clue. We have to choose the letter and it will be twice in this word. So, E. Yes, we have double E. Sheep. And the last one is sheep. Sheep. Okay, where is letter P? Very good. Thank you so much, P1. That's true. We have our word. Yes, and now we can spell it together. S, H, E, E, P. Great job, P1. Okay, let's have a look. So, do you remember the animal who has horns? So, the name for this animal is goat. Yes, that's correct. It's a goat. So, we have to find the beginning letter. So, can you hear the sound? G, g, g. Okay, so this sound has letter G. Yes, good. Letter G has a sound G, G, G. Now we have to finish our word. I want you to tell me the next letter. What letter do you want to choose? Goat. Goat. So let's try O. Goat. Yes, that's true. Very good. Excellent. P1. So we have 2 letters left, and the next, let's decide what is going to be next. Goat. So maybe E. Goat. No. Let's think. P1. Maybe A. Let's choose A. Okay, excellent. That's true. So after O, we have A. And the last one is goat. The last one is letter T. Okay, now we have our word. 4 letters. Okay, and we complete our game. So let's spell it together. G-O-A-T. And now it's time to check your homework. So I want you to open your workbook. Let's check. Here you have to unscramble the word and to write. So we have our first word is sheep. Let's check number 2. So we have T-A-C and it should be C-A-T, cat. Okay, good. It's a cat. Number 3, we have O-T-A-G. You have 4 letters and the word is, let's spell together, G-O-A-T, goat. Yes, it's a goat. Very good. Number 4, so here, check please. You should have H-O-R-S-E, horse. You have horse, number 4. Okay, and for number 5, it should be C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Check your answer, P1. It should be chicken. And the last one, only 3 letters you have to unscramble, and the word is C-O-W, cow. So please check your answers, P1. Number 1, sheep. Number 2, cat. Number 3, goat. Number 4, horse. Number 5, chicken. And the last one, number 6, is a cow. So we finished our lesson today. Thank you so much for your attention and see you next time. Bye-bye.